Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English tutorial videos. Dear friends, today I'm going to upload short answer questions for intermediate 12th class UP board, A Girl with Basket. Answer one of the following questions in not more than 30 words. Question 1. Where was the writer going? From where did he start? How did he travel? Its answer. The writer was going from New Delhi to Ranikhet, a hill station on the Himalayas. He travelled up to Bareilly by train and then by car to Ranikhet. Question 2. Give a brief description of the train W.C. Douglas was travelling. Its answer. The train by which W.C. Douglas was travelling was a slow-moving train and stopped at all the way stations. Question 3. How did the writer go to get a feel of pulse of the nation? Or what did the writer do at every stoppage? Why? Its answer. William C. Douglas got down from his compartment at every stoppage. He talked to the people of every class to get a feel of the pulse of the nation. Question 4. Describe the things and scenes the writer saw on his way from New Delhi to Ranikhet. Its answer. On his way from Delhi to Ranikhet, the writer saw platforms overcrowded with people of all castes and trades, the rich plains of Ganga, deep thick forest with wild animals, and houses made of mud walls. Question 5. What disturbed the continuity of the writer's conversation at one of these stations? Its answer. At one of these stations, a group of young refugee children who were selling handmade baskets and fans disturbed the continuity of the writer's conversation. Question 6. Who were these children selling baskets? What information does the writer give you about them? Its answer. These children selling baskets were refugee children. They were the sons and daughters of the people who were compelled to run away from Pakistan at the time of partition. Question 7. What was the pitiable condition of the refugees? What were they doing for a living? The condition of refugees was very pitiable. For a living, they were making simple articles and selling them in market. Question 8. What facts did the writer discover about the peasant refugees? Its answer. The writer discovered that income of the peasant refugees was very low. They could hardly earn 1 square meal a day. Question 9. What is an average annual income of agricultural family as given by William C. Douglas? Its answer. According to William C. Douglas, the average annual income of an agricultural family was not more than $100. Question 10. Why did the refugee children descend like locusts on the writer? Answer. The refugee children thought that the writer was a rich man. He would buy articles of many children, so they descended on him like locusts. Question 11. What things did the author William C. Douglas buy from the refugee children so that his arms were full? Answer. The author William C. Douglas bought from the refugee children many articles as a sewing basket, a waste paper basket, a fruit baskets, and few fans, etc. So his arms were full. Question 12. Which vendor among the children drew writer's attention most and why? Answer. A 9-year-old beautiful girl drew the writer's attention most because she was earnestly pleading and begging with tears in her eyes. Question 13. What made the writer realize that he had given offense by extending gratuity to the girl as a substitute for not buying the basket? Answer. The girl returned the gratuity, so the writer felt that the girl was hardworking and self-respecting. So he realized that he had given offense by extending the gratuity to the girl as a substitute for not buying the basket. Question 14. What forced the writer to buy little girl's basket? Answer. The little girl returned the gratuity given by the writer, so he was forced to buy her basket. Question 15. Why did millions of people leave Pakistan for India? Or what misery did partition between India and Pakistan cause to the people? Its answer. At the time of partition, millions of people left Pakistan for India due to fear of religious fanaticism. They became homeless and penniless. Question 16. Why did the writer fall in love with India? Answer. The writer found that the people of India were proud and gracious even in poverty. This was the reason he loved India. Question 17. What did the writer think about the people of India? What picture of our country and the people as a whole did he carry back in his mind? Or what does the writer William C. Douglas say in praise of the people of India? Answer. The writer thought that the people of India were self-respecting and very gentle. They preferred starvation to begging. Question 18. What was the story told to the Prime Minister by William C. Douglas? Its answer. The story of 9-year-old child who handed the money back to the author was told to the Prime Minister. Dear guys, it was all. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Watch this video again and again. Thanks. Bye.